us that you will keep visiting. But even though you will keep visiting, home wouldn't be home without you. Even though you will keep visiting, I won't be asking you at 12 a.m. in the night, Maggie khaoge? I won't be able to come to your room just to see you watching a show and talking to Jiju while completely ignoring the show and me. Just a few weeks ago, I was discussing the wedding functions with Didi, and I thought nothing will be the same anymore. The room I always wanted for myself, I'll get it, but the fun of teasing you about it, well, that will be soon gone. Mama Papa won't be able to tell us, डंडा लेके लड़ लो तुम दोनों. And then us replying, हम लड़ कहाँ रहे हैं, हम तो सिर्फ बात कर रहे हैं. Here we are today, seeing you living your Dharma movie moment in your main character era. Jiju, thank you for making her the happiest. I've never hated someone, yet loved them as much as you. Hate because you're taking her away from us, and love because you make her the happiest. कहते हैं अपने कभी दूर नहीं होते, दूर होकर भी पास होते हैं. As sisters, we've always shared a bond, and that's strong enough to last us forever. Together, we've laughed, we've cried, and now, as you start a new life with a partner who is so good to you, I want you to know that our love and support will be with the two of you for forever and ever. We will always wish you and Jiju the best, and we'll only wish you to be the happiest. We love you, and we'll miss you. With love, Chini.
Can we all please give a huge, huge round of applause for our tiny little Chini of Chahat?
Just practice. 1, 2, 3. You cannot take him away. That was feeling, yeah? नहीं feeling अभी feeling that was a rehearsal.
If he is this sad, then the bride side will beat you.
Yeah, no. Go on,
Full
let's
energy,
go.
full energy. We're shouting in the lobby.
You sure about that? Okay.
Alright, okay.
You cannot take him away.
1, 2, 3.
You cannot take him away!
अब मुझे खींच ही लो नहीं एक और आइडिया आया
आसमां से तारे अभी अभी उतारे तेरे नाम से जुड़े हैं सब यहाँ
एक ऐसा लेना हो जैसे पकड़ लेना
ये दास्तां हो रहा है दिल में कुछ तेरे लिए मैं जी रहा
मैं सही जा रही हूँ ना
सारे कैमरा निकल गए शायद
किसी का ये शर्म है ये
मैंने पहले बोला था नो कमेंट
हो सके तो
How the pressure glowing in the videos.
कि तुम हो तो मैं हूँ तो फिर है ये अपना जहां
Is there any special moments you have witnessed that have left a long-lasting impression?
कृष्ण की तो ऐसा है आप अच्छी चीजों में तो हमारे पास कुछ नहीं होता
फेस टाइम कर रहा था, उसके अलावा फीफा खेलने आया था घर पे और फेस टाइम कर रहा था.
Yes.
Same answer. उठते ही he calls Disha. Brush करते हुए he calls Disha.
So he stays very like calm and chill, right? But when he gets angry really fast. But he also like loses anger super fast.
That's
Like it'll just disappear, and then he'll get over any argument or grudge. Like he doesn't hold any of that. So he's very temperamental.
Only one of you guys
Krishna doesn't get angry in front of Disha.
Yeah, that's true.
Actually, that's true.
Krishna is very short-tempered. He gets angry very quickly, but with Disha he doesn't.
Yeah, with the shy.
I hate that.
He's always his best
I
self.
hate that he's always mad at me, and when Disha's around, he's not mad at all.
You'll be incredibly cranky and then it's like the sun came up, you know.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, what are you looking forward for Freddie Chopra?
खाना और तो क्या.
I'm looking forward to seeing Krishna dance.
Yeah,
That'll be
me
fun.
too, actually. Yeah.
I'm looking forward to seeing Prashant Bhaiya dance.
I'm looking forward to seeing Prashant Bhaiya cry.
I can find my way through the trees. So don't wait, for me to get home. I don't know my way back home. The light broke at the end of the tunnel. I don't know, I'm out on my own. I can't find my way back home. So if you're looking for me, I'll be here in the trees. And when you find me, I'll be kicking the leaves. I don't know my way back home. The light broke at the end of the tunnel. I don't know, I'm out on my own. I can't find my way back home. In these streets I feel alright. I think I finally found life. In these woods I'm free inside, and I don't wanna see heading out on our own with our hope in the clouds, and we're starting to see that we're onto something. Feel it coming, we'll keep running, nothing in our way, and we got no reason to wait. Let the journey take you where it wants to. We'll continue to find our way through anything we face. We got what it takes. Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go, with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day, it's ours to take, and we will let it in. This is where the adventure begins. Every step, writing stories that seek to be read, taking hold of the moment as we discover every color filled with wonder. Now we finally see we got everything We're starting to see that we're onto something. Feel it coming now. Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go, with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day, it's ours to take, and we will let it in. This is where the adventure begins. Here we go. Get ready for it. Get ready for it. Get ready for it. Yeah, this is it. Go! 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 Yeah, this is it. Go! Let's go! Yeah, this is it. It's now or it's never. No plan with forever. It's now or it's never. Yeah. It's down to the wire. Who gonna take the empire? It's down to the wire. This is it.
With Krishna,
Yes.
I mean he's my younger brother और हमारे घर में सबसे छोटा लड़का है वो, तो he's been very pampered. अब वो हाथ से निकल रहा है तो बड़ा you know I'm happy for him, and he's very passionate about whatever he wants, and he's a very sincere person.
हाँ, कृष्णा चिल बंदा है, बहुत मस्त जोक मारता है, स्पेशली इस बार वेडिंग टाइम में तो उसके जोक्स कुछ ज़्यादा ही अच्छे हो गए. Everyone is like looking for some time जो वो कृष्णा के साथ spend कर सके, but he's always busy with Disha. So yeah, you can figure out कि उनका relationship मस्त है.
Krishna will make sure that both of them are always happy, and Disha is also a very very smart and responsible girl. So I feel that together they'll have a very happy life.
They have survived a long distance, so they'll survive anything.
Yeah.
Any advice you'd like to give them?
What he's doing now and the way he feels now, I just advise him to continue doing the same, because he's anyways very dedicated to Disha. So
There's a roller coaster of emotions. I'm also this is the day that we've both, I think, spoken every day, every time we meet. Oh, that we want you to get married, or like can't wait for your wedding. And now that it's finally happening, it's hitting, and the thing is that she'll move out of India. So just to digest that fact.
जब उसका जन्म हुआ तो घर में खुशियाँ आई थी। बस वो आई तो घर में बाहर आई। सुबह उठते ही उसको देखना, कमरे में आती है, बातचीत करती है। मिस अप उसका तो हर टाइम हर जगह मिस करेंगे उसको तो। बस जहाँ भी रहे खुश रहे।
बस जिस घर में भी जाए खुशियाँ ही खुशियाँ फैलाए, जैसे हमारे घर में रोशनी हुई अब सब। पूरे घर के लिए रोशनी करे। कि कृष्णा से जब हम फर्स्ट टाइम मिले तो बहुत मतलब अपनेपन वाली फीलिंग आई। ऐसा कभी नहीं लगा कि ये अननोन है, हम नहीं जानते उनको। बिल्कुल ऐसे लगा जैसे बेटा ही मिला, घर का ही बेटा है, हमारा ही बेटा है। तो बहुत उससे मिलते ऐसे वार्म फीलिंग आई, बहुत अच्छा लगा।
कृष्णा को देख के लगता है कि जैसे मैं बहुत केयरिंग हूँ मेरे फैमिली के लिए, मेरी वाइफ के लिए, मेरे बच्चों के लिए, मेरी मदर के लिए। तो मुझे कृष्णा में भी वही लगता है कि वो बहुत केयरिंग है। तो मुझे फीलिंग होती है कि वो भी वैसे ही ध्यान रखेगा जैसे मैंने मेरे बच्चों का ध्यान, दिशा का ध्यान।
दिशा बहुत खुशियों के से लेकर आई थी हमारे घर में। पहली लड़की थी मेरी पोती, बहुत खुश हुए थे हम लोग। उसकी शादी हो रही है तो खुशी तो हो रही है, लेकिन एक बार इतने साल जो लड़की रहती है, इतने लाडों से बड़ी है, उसको भेजने में दिल तो बहुत टूटता ही है। हाँ। लेकिन भगवान से प्रार्थना है कि हमको हमारे जमाई बहुत अच्छे मिले हैं, घर वाले बहुत अच्छे मिले, इसलिए बहुत खुश हैं हम लोग। और जिंदगी में जियो ना, दोनों बहुत प्यार से जियो, एक दूसरे के समझ। यही लाइफ का वो सबसे ज्यादा वो होता है। मेरा तो एक्सपीरियंस यही है, दोनों में प्यार रहेगा तो जिंदगी बहुत अच्छी रहेगी। और एक दूसरे पे विश्वास करके जियो, जिंदगी बहुत सफलता से गुजरेगी तुम्हारी।
दिशा और कृष्णा को शादी के साथ बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। आपकी शादी बहुत सफल हो, बहुत अच्छी रहे, हर दिन मंगलमय हो, हर घड़ी हर पल मंगलमय हो, यही आशीर्वाद है और भगवान से यही शुभकामनाएं। छोटी सी बिटिया जो हमारी गोद में खेली है, जिसको हमने इतना हंसते खेलते देखा है, कल वो पराई हो जाएगी, लेकिन बेटा अपने नाना नानी को हमेशा याद रखना।
I've always been the notorious kind. I've always been naughty and more playful than her. She's been the quiet child. She's been the ideal child. So I love that about her, but sometimes it used to get on my nerves. Everybody knows कि I always want to do what Didi is doing. I want to be like her. तो ठीक है, ऐसा है, I ignore कि नहीं ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है, and she is trying to copy me, but I've always wanted to be like her. She is my role model, and she is my whole family's most favorite daughter. That's what I always say. And मैं सबको बोलती हूँ कि अच्छा आप तो दीदी से ज़्यादा प्यार करते हो, मुझसे नहीं करते हो। तो but हाँ, मैं खुद भी वही करती हूँ। I always keep her first. So yes. Do everything together, every single thing. I've always done it with her. I'm gonna miss everything. Okay, so this is a very funny story. ठीक है? I don't think so anybody knows about this, but I used to hold him off कि नहीं, I cannot get attached to him. How can he do this? How is he taking my sister away? He has no right to do that. But once you get to know Jiju, I don't think so there is a better brother I could have asked for. He understands everything, and whenever I want him to defend me against Didi, he does that also. So yeah, I love that. See, I also got something special. I've written paise to joote lo. So I need to make sure that I steal his shoes and I get everything that I want. So I want कि ठीक है, मेरे भी future में whoever is there, I want कि my future partner should be the same as my parents, and I met them. So exact embodiment of ठीक है, they fight also, but there's so much love, there's so much care that's between them. And I feel what they have, like the care and the love for each other, that's very important. And they both hold their grounds. And I think when you're in a relationship, there should be a balance. You cannot always agree with the other person. So they hold their ground. That is also a very good thing about them. So as I've said, I'm very sad that he's taking her away. But I think Didi could not have asked for a better partner. I could not have asked for a better brother. My parents could not have found someone better than him, who takes care of not just her, the whole family, with so much love and respect. So it means the world, and I am sure it not just to me, but to my whole family, it means a lot.
And yeah, Krish, you're a very lucky guy. You've literally got everything that you can ever ask for. and the thing with them is that they barely met. She was in India, he was in the US, so that long distance was like a big challenge, and they did it so smoothly. And I think they just both knew since the very first day when they met each other that there's no going back, which rarely happens. So they were just like, okay, I met this guy and I feel like it could lead to something. And I think since that day they just vibed and yeah, like did the long distance, and both of them just did it so smoothly. They both wanted each other. They were like, they were very sure about each other, and only these 2-3 years they were like, we just need to do this long distance for 2-3 years and then we'll end up together. Their relationship, there's no filter. They don't have to pretend in front of each other, which is very, very important. Like I've seen Disha, I know her, and she is like she's one carefree soul. She doesn't want to think what others are thinking, and Krish completes that thing about her. She doesn't have to think twice about what she's wearing, what she's eating, what she's saying in front of Krish, and he brings that natural side of her. So I think that is very unique. Like it's like a puzzle piece. Like they just, that one puzzle that was missing in Disha's life, and like Krish has completed it. Like it's that.
किन्ना सोना ऐदा रूप सजन दा भुल गई मैं दुनियादारी वेख के सोना माही चले हम आसमां के राहों में।
मेरी मेमोरीज विद कृष्णा जब वो छोटा था, मैं भी टेनिस खेलता था, कृष्णा तो बहुत अच्छा खेलता है, तो एक समय तक बहुत खेले हम लोग। उसका दूसरा गेम इतना ऊपर हो गया कि मेरे लिए सामने टिकना मुश्किल था। तो पहले उसका बहुत पुअर था, आई वॉज अ बेटर प्लेयर, फिर इक्वल हुए और उसके बाद वो उसका ग्राफ ऊपर गया।
तो पहले बाप बेटे को पीट देता था, बट ऐसा सिचुएशन बहुत जल्दी आ गया कि बेटा बाप को पीटने लगा टेनिस में।
जब उन्होंने डेटिंग शुरू किया तो कृष्णा हमारा ही इज वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ मी एंड लाइकवाइज, तो वो हमारे घर पे लेके आ गया था। वी मेट देम एट होम एंड फिर हम लोग दोनों उनको we took him out for a dinner. दोनों बहुत सीधे हैं। तो they are both very simple kids, made for each other.
प्यारे बच्चे हैं दोनों। I would say keep loving and respecting each other as partners, and it will be then happily ever after.
Love and respect, yes, दोनों होना चाहिए।
सुकून मिले तेरी सुन के आवाज़।
बस मैं चाहती हूँ कि कृष्णा और दिशा हमेशा खुश रहें, पीसफुल लाइफ एंड हेल्थी एंड हैप्पी मैरिड लाइफ, यही चाहती हूँ मैं इन दोनों के लिए, और कुछ नहीं।
इस दरिया के संग में बहनों थाम तो लेंगे किनारों पे, इस जहां को मैं ये कह दूं है बस तू इरादों में। माही मैं रहूं तू मेरा, तू ही आरी 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 अब तो आ रही बारात, अब ये आए नाचे गाए देखो राग है मल्हार। ओ नित नित लाके रंग सवारे ये जहां या ना, अरे बोलो ना। सूरज की किरणें आने दे मेरे मीत, अब चल जाने दे जो भी बीत। ओ जगह ताने दे उनकी सुने ना। देखो सावन आए रे मन हंसाए मितवा, और सारी उम्र ना गवा दे मितवा। क्यों सोचे बादल खरे हैं जबकि वो तो रुके हैं, क्योंकि बारिश तो आनी है ना। मेरे रांझना बता देना, बता देना।
You guys finally agreed? So,
ख्वाब को तराश के है मुझे तू मिला, तू ही तो बन गया घर मेरा। उम्र भर संग रहे बस मुझे तो अभी इश्क की डोर से बांध ले। भर देना मेरा मन प्यार के रंगों से, बदलेगा ये जहां पर कायम तू ही रे, तू ही रे। मंग दी फिरा मैं खैर बस तेरी, तेरे अंगना देखो है जीना उम्र भर बुन देना ख्वाबों को इश्क के लम्हों से, बदलेगा ये जहां पर मेरा तू ही रे, तू ही रे। तेरे बिन नहीं रहना, तू ही है अब मेरा हर पल इन नजरों में, अब तेरा है चेहरा। तेरे बिन नहीं रहना, तू ही है अब मेरा हर पल इन नजरों में, अब तेरा है चेहरा। जो है
बाकी को जो मुझ में बुन लिया, नया मैं मुझी से चुन लिया। दिल जोगिया दिल जोगिया रेहा जो है खुद को कर लिया, चाहत की राह पर मैं चल दिया। दिल जोगिया मुझ में बसा ख्वाहिशों का घर है, मिल गया। फिर से वहाँ आरज़ू का दर है, खुल गया। नहीं जान ली पहचान ली सुबह, मैंने जान ली दुआ। दिल जोगिया दिल जोगिया दिल जोगिया। सोचा है अब मैंने ढूंढा है, अब मैंने चाहा है, अब मैंने पाया है। अब मैंने सोचा है, अब मैंने ढूंढा है, अब मैंने चाहा है, अब मैंने पाया है। अब मैंने सोचा है, अब मैंने ढूंढा है, अब मैंने चाहा है, अब मैंने पाया है। अब मैंने सोचा है, अब मैंने ढूंढा है, अब मैंने चाहा है, अब मैंने पाया है। सानी सा सानी सा सानी सा सानी सा रे सारे रे सारे रे सारे रे सारे रे सानी सा सानी सा सानी सा सानी सा सानी सा नी मा 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 नी मा नी सा करे सानी। दिल जोगिया दिल जोगिया दिल जोगिया दिल जोगिया
I still don't feel like I am married. It was amazing. I feel very happy and I'm very excited for the time together. It is like we have been planning this for a whole year now, and to see all of this come together and to do it with the person that I love with my whole heart is just the best. I'm so happy.
I rise
up in the morning sun, take a flight with the wind. I know better days will come, so I try to believe. There's more to be hoping and there's doors to be opened tonight. When it's all said and over, there'll be oceans to wander for miles, past the clouds of the coldness. There'll be flowers and roses, so keep your head up, you're coping. And it feels like glory, Lord. Glory, Lord. And it feels like Signora, let them know it's in your heart now. And it feels like Signora, let them know it's in your heart now. And it feels like Signora, let them know it's in your heart now. And it feels like glory, Lord.
तूने मेरी दिलकत की, तूने इतनी हरकत की, इसमें इतनी हरकत की, तो तूने क्या किया? अब बारा बारा में, चांद से बिखरा तारा में, दिल से इतना तुम्हारा में, तो तूने क्या किया? सारी दुनिया फकीर में आया हुई है, तेरे हमें ही ने बना दिया। मैं दिल का राज कहता हूँ कि जब जब सांसें लेता हूँ तेरा ही नाम लेता हूँ। ये तूने क्या किया? दिल का राज कहता हूँ कि जब जब सांसें लेता हूँ तेरा ही नाम लेता हूँ। ये तूने क्या किया?
There's more to be hoping and there's doors to be opened tonight. When it's all said and over, there'll be oceans to wander for miles, past the clouds of the coldness. There'll be flowers and roses, so keep your head up, you're coping. And it feels like glory.